Catalonia is the territory with the greatest concentrations of sports business in Europe, with over 500 companies related to sports, a turnover exceeding 4,000 million euros and more than 22,000 employees. The sports industry has an increasing impact on the overall economy, which means the 2.1% of the GDP in Catalonia. The economic role that this powerful sector plays in Catalonia is well known worldwide as a clear international projection. There are many reasons to show why Catalonia is sport. Barcelona is the third city in the world regarding club members and sports practice in Catalonia, and this is expanding more and more. Catalonia registers a great number of sports facilities in the whole country, more than 14,300 clubs and 72 sports federations. Football Club Barcelona is one of the most important ambassadors of Catalonia and Barcelona in the world. Since the 1992 Olympic Games, Barcelona has become a worldwide reference and a model to follow in the organization of prestigious international sports events. More than 20 years later, the Barcelona World Race, the Trofeo Conde de Godó, the Barcelona Marathon, the Spanish Grand Prix Formula 1, the Catalonia MotoGP, the European Athletic Championship, the FINA World Championship, the FIFA Basketball World Cup, or the X Games are also top events that show the great organization capacity of the Catalan sports industry. Catalonia has more than 35,000 sports areas, which allows the Catalan population to enjoy more than 300 different sporting activities, from motorsport to sailing, skiing, cycling or golfing. More than this, Catalonia has world-leading sports facilities like Circuit de Catalunya, Olympic Ring in Barcelona, the Real Club de Polo or the Circuit of Motocross. Catalonia is home of some of the world's best-known sportsmen, but it is also known for its capacity to attract talent through education and training in sports. Sportsmen, managers, coaches, designers or engineers in sports. The High Performance Center, CAR, is a great example of a center focused on elite sportsmen. The CAR offers an extraordinary infrastructure, being on one of the most prestigious performance centers of the planet, which receives athletes and teams from all over the world. The great significance of sports and entrepreneurship that has traditionally identified the Catalan population have led to an emerging group of Catalan sports companies. Led by Barcelona, Catalonia has become a perfect destination for business and professional gatherings. Most foreign sports companies choose Catalonia as the permanent headquarters in Spain, with R&D production or commercial centers. In terms of innovation, Barcelona is home of leading clusters on health and ICT. Research is also promoted through a network made up of 8 technology centers and 12 universities. Barcelona has become leader on business development and hosts some of the most important congresses in the world, such as Mobile World Congress. Located in the northeast of Spain, between the Pyrenees and the Mediterranean seashores, Catalonia has a strategic geographical situation which allows the enjoyment of a Mediterranean climate for any sports practice. Since the Olympic Games, Barcelona is seen from the rest of the world as an innovating cosmopolitan city, linked to creativity, culture, fashion, art and modernity. Indescat is the Catalan Sports Industry Cluster. Its mission is to bring together companies and research centers related to the sports world, with the main objective of developing actions to improve companies' competitiveness, encouraging innovative products and services. Indescat represents more than 40 companies and research centers with an overall turnover of 900 million euros. Provide services and products to the whole sports market, consumer goods, sports facilities and sports events. In conclusion, Indescat promotes the sports sector and Catalonia as a whole. Catalonia is sport. Just come and see.